Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Export, Import, Supply Chain and Custom. We are just completing the second part of the role and responsibility of the assistant manager for the export FMCG company. And this is the second session of this module. In first, we have completed these activities which is related to this job responsibilities. Now, in this session, we are going to complete this balance activities. Okay, the session is dedicated to the job seekers and the person who are willing to work or want to know more knowledge in the logistic management or export import. Okay, so guys, let's start the session. Plan for the export and domestic dispatch. Okay, so in this job responsibility, you have to manage the plan which is for export and domestic logistic. Okay, so how you can prepare the plan for the export? Planning is the right way that you have to arrange the in a case of export. If you are dispatching goods through by sea mode, then you have to arrange the empty container. So planning need to share with the CHA partner and freight forward company. In the same way, in domestic case, you have to share the planning with the transporter, okay, and dispatch team, packing team, and operational level. Okay. So planning of the export is totally depend on the organization which already also involved in this activity, like a transporter, custom clearance agent, freight forwarder, okay, and other consultant. And the domestic level, transporter and warehouse and operational team. Okay, so these things we need to prepare the plan in right way that the process, entire logistic process will manage in right way and intimate to the international MP and domestic customer. Okay, so once you dispatch the goods, you need to inform to the international customer. Just like once you dispatch the goods from India, then once you receive the bill of lading from the shipping company, then you have to intimate the international customer. So they will ready for the import the goods. Okay, in their destination country. In the same way, domestic customer also need to be intimate once we dispatch the goods from factory to customer, so that the customer will aware and ready for delivering the goods. Then submitting the document with the custom for payment. Okay, so you have to submit the document with custom for the payment. Okay, so if you understand this thing, there is a documentation procedure in which you have to submit the document. So you have to prepare the set of document which is the commercial invoice, packing list, okay, certificate of origin, bill of lading or airway bill, set insurance. This document need to be submit for the payment. Okay, so mostly cases you have to submit the document to the bank for the payment collection. Okay, as per the contract. Now advance license. Okay, so I already discussed the advance license activity in which we have to arrange the license before importing the goods. Okay, for the saving of the duty. Okay, so you want to save the duty, then you have to first apply for the license and redeem the license while importing the goods, and you have to you can save the duty of the import. So in advanced license case, you can import use these license for the only raw materials for the EPCG you can import on the machinery parts, which is capital goods. Okay, so advanced license DGFT with the help of consultant. Okay, you have to take the follow up with the help of consultant, which the other activity will be done by the consultant. Okay, the consultant will prepare the set of document, and you have to arrange the document which required by the consultant. Okay, so submit the export document to the bank with the after export clearance and follow up with until BRC received. Okay, so once you dispatch the goods, you receive the set of document from the CHA site, in which you receive the certificate of origin, bill of lading, and other inspection certificate. Okay, so we have to prepare the set of document for the bank. Okay, and you have to submit this document to the bank for the payment collection from the buyer. So you have to follow with the bank until BRC receive. Okay, so just like your payment terms is a 120 days from the bill of lading days. So within 120 days you receive the payment of that particular shipment, and then you have to take the follow of that, update the BRC for the shipment, that respective shipment, so we can avail the benefit of the BRC. Okay, other work which related to supply chain and MP logistic be assigned time to time. Okay, so this is the job responsibilities in which you have to work with the logistic management and export documentation, and also the uh, uh, you are aligned with the international supplier. Okay, and domestic supply. Okay, so you have to submit the all documents. Okay, and you have to, you also aware the knowledge with the advanced license, DGFT, consultant, and all the things. So if you are have a, if you have a, if you have a knowledge of this, then you can apply for the post. So guys, in this session we have tried to understand some working procedures which is related for this job. So guys, thank you for watching the session. Have a nice day.